Are you looking for the best dash cam in 2026 to protect yourself on the road, record accidents, or even capture unexpected moments while driving? With so many options out there, choosing the right one can be confusing, especially when every brand claims to be the best. So in today's video, I've done the research for you and picked the top 5 best dash cams in 2026 based on video quality, features, reliability, and overall value. Whether you're a daily commuter, a rideshare driver, or just someone who wants peace of mind while driving, there's something here for you. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. IIWEY N6 360-degree 4-channel dashcam. Starting off at number 5, we have the IIWEY N6 360-degree 4-channel dashcam, and this one is all about complete coverage. This dashcam records from 4 different angles: front, rear, and inside your vehicle, giving you a full 360-degree view of everything happening around you. One of the standout features here is the Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, which allows for super fast video transfer to your smartphone. That means no more waiting forever to download your footage. It also comes with a free 128GB memory card, so you can start using it right out of the box. When it comes to night driving, the 8 infrared lights make a big difference, especially for interior recording. So if you're a rideshare driver, this is a huge plus. Pros: you're getting full 360-degree protection, fast Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, great night vision, built-in GPS, and reliable 24/7 parking monitoring. But overall, if you want maximum coverage and security, this is a fantastic choice. Number 2. BOTSLAB 3K 4-channel dashcam. We have the BOTSLAB 3K 4-channel dashcam, and this one takes coverage to another level with a 560-degree all-side view. Yes, 560 degrees, which basically means you're covered from almost every possible angle. What really makes this dashcam stand out is its 3.18-inch touchscreen display and voice command feature. You can control the camera hands-free, which is super useful while driving. The 3K resolution ensures sharp and detailed footage, so you can clearly capture license plates and road details. And just like the previous one, it also includes a free 128GB card, which is always a nice bonus. Pros: you get ultra-wide coverage, high-resolution recording, touchscreen control, voice commands, GPS, and fast Wi-Fi connectivity. If you want a feature-packed smart dashcam with modern controls, this one is definitely worth considering. Number 3. 4K plus 2K plus 2K 3-channel dashcam. We have this 3-channel dashcam with 4K front and dual 2K cameras. This is where you start getting a great balance between performance and price. The 4K front camera delivers extremely sharp footage, while the interior and rear cameras at 2K resolution ensure you don't miss anything important. It also features a 170-degree wide-angle lens, which helps capture more of the road. You also get dual-band Wi-Fi, both 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz, giving you flexibility depending on your connection. Pros: excellent video quality, wide-angle coverage, built-in GPS, included 128GB card, and solid night performance with WRDR. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, premium video quality dashcam, this is one of the best picks. Number 4. Vantrue E1 Pro 4K Mini Dashcam. We have the Vantrue E1 Pro, and this one is perfect if you prefer a compact and minimal setup. Despite its small size, it packs a punch with a Sony Starvis S sensor, which delivers outstanding low light and night performance. This is one of the best dash cams when it comes to night driving clarity. It also supports voice control, making it easy to operate without taking your hands off the wheel. And if storage matters to you, it supports up to 1 terabyte memory cards, which is huge. Pros: compact design, excellent night vision, voice control, large storage support, and smooth buffered parking mode. If you want a small but powerful dashcam with top-tier video quality, this is a great choice. Number 5. REDTIGER F17 4K 3-channel dashcam. We have the REDTIGER F17 3-channel dashcam, a powerful and well-balanced option. This dashcam features a 4K front camera and dual 1080p cameras for interior and rear recording. It uses the Sony Starvis 2 IMX675 sensor, which provides excellent HDR performance and improved clarity in both day and night conditions. It's a great all-around dashcam that works well for both personal and professional use. If you want a reliable, high-performance dashcam that does everything well, this is an excellent choice. So those were the top 5 best dashcams in 2026. Go for IIWEY N6 for full 360-degree protection, choose BOTSLAB for smart features and control, pick the 3-channel 4K model for best value, get Vantrue E1 Pro for compact performance, and go with REDTIGER for the best overall balance. All product links are in the description below if you want to check prices or learn more. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.